Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is all about the purple, darling. Don't mind this yellow background. I have been struggling with this for like a little minute, but we're good, okay? Today is all about the purple. You see I got my black hair in, darling. Yes. I mean, I'm just ready for a new look. I know the last time I did a video, I did it on this hair, and this was a hair review, and actually I made this into a wig. So if you want to see the process of how I turned this into a wig, because you know it was a sew-in in the last video, please let me know. But yeah, this is a wig, so honey, I can snatch this sucker off, okay? Hello? But I ain't gonna show y'all my secrets under there though. We gonna keep it tied and right, okay? So yeah, back to what I was saying. What was I saying? Okay. Oh yeah, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the purples. I don't know, I was just really feeling to do something different and really pushing outside of my comfort zone. And I really, did I say that right? Comfort zone? I don't know, like for the past few weeks, I have been so tied-tongued. But yes, so I really felt like pushing past my comfort zone. And I really love how this look came out. And as you watch the video, you will see that I went real old school on you. And I pulled out that Makeup Forever number 92 purple eyeshadow. Only the old YouTubers, you know, when you was watching YouTube from way back in the early 2000s, y'all know what that is. Y'all know that Makeup Forever number 92. Let me see if I got it up here. Yeah, that Makeup Forever number 92, boo-boo. Y'all ain't know about that. Y'all ain't about that life if y'all don't know about that Makeup Forever number 92. So I had to pull that out of my archive. I had to pull that out of my stash. I had to go dig deep for that sucker to give you this look. So I actually enjoyed it. It was just mainly purples that I used. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Alright guys, so let's get this video started. Starting first with the Professional, the Pore Primer by Benefit. I am going to prime my face with this. I actually kind of like this primer. So I'm going to just apply this all over the face. I am very, well, yeah, I'm very moisturized today. I'm not going to say greasy. I'm going to say moisturized because you guys know I have dry skin. Alright, so I'm not sure what kind of look I'm going for, but I still want a little bit of glow. So I am going to use this Liquid Glow by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Oyster. Last time I used it, I mean, I had like one of my best looks to date. So I'm hoping that this will be like a number 2 for best looks to date. So I am going to add this all over the face because, honey, I want to be glowing. I really want to glow. Like, not super glow, but I want to look like kind of radiant. So I really like this. Alright, so today I am going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is the color Butter Pecan. This is one of the colors that Jackie Aina made, and so, or collaborated with, whatever. And the box doesn't want to open. But here it is. Too Faced Born This Way and Butter Pecan. So I am excited. So I'm gonna go in. This is with a Real Techniques brush. I'll make you feel it. I'll bring you to your knees. If you follow me, I know you feel the same. You're the only thing on my brain. Yeah, I know you're trying me now. I know you feel the same. Come on over and I don't know what's up with me with these yellow looking foundations. Jesus. It's like they go on perfect in the store. And then when I come home and I sit in front of the camera, she be looking a little yellow. God. So next I'm going in with Cover FX Cream Concealer in the color Medium Deep. I don't think I've ever used this like actually on camera. I've used it in one of my videos, but I did not show. I didn't do the foundation routine in video, so we're gonna use this. I actually really loved the look that this gave. I used it with the Cover FX freaking foundation. I don't know why I can't say that word. But yeah. Y'all know me. I love a salmon concealer because you guys know my undertones are red.
Now I'm watching you, watching me too. They're playing all my favorite songs, like they knew just what to do. I got a crazy idea for you, baby.
So I'm feeling a little bourgeois. So I'm gonna take my black opal true color in carob and try to figure out, no, just yeah. Y'all know carob is my color, my contour color.
You feel it? I'll show you what I mean. If you don't feel it, I'll make you feel it. I'll bring you to your knees. If you follow me, I could feel your chemistry all the way across the room.
Now I am going to take hazelnut and I am going to snatch, well, try to snatch my nose. Y'all know I like hazelnut for nose contour. Always go lighter, just because I am not a believer in having a dark nose contour.
So just stop, I love you playing. Got no time for hesitation. Let's get lost in the crowd. If you don't feel it, I'll make you feel it. I'll show you what I mean. If you don't feel it, I'll make you feel it. I'll bring you to your knees. If you follow me, I know you feel the same. You're the only thing on my brain. Yeah, I know you're trying me now. I know you feel the same. Come on over and walk my way. Yeah, I know you're playing it down. I know you feel the same. You're the only thing on my brain. Yeah, I know you're trying me now. I know you feel the same. Come on over and walk my way. Yeah, I know you're playing it down. If you don't feel it, I'll make you feel it. I'll show you what I mean.
Okay, so I am going to set, of course. Might as well just use the Laura Mercier since it's right here. Gonna go in and set. I am glowing. This light is like, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of powder first and sweep it. Glow is still coming through. All right, so I'm actually going to start with the color. I'm actually going to start with the color Blazing by Huda Beauty in the Desert Dust palette, and I am going to focus that into my crease, and then I'm going to go in with Amethyst, and we're going to move over that.
Just arrived while you're leaving. I got the thing that you're needing. You got the hips I believe in. I rock your boat while you're steaming. I'll pick you up when you're leaving. Alright,
if you was watching YouTube like when YouTube was YouTube for makeup, for beauty, you know about this next color. The Makeup Forever eyeshadow color in number 92. Y'all don't know about this. Y'all don't know about this. Y'all just don't know. Alright, so I am going to blend it out with this MAC 217 brush. Alright, so after that, I am going in with some Anastasia Beverly Hills colors, okay? So the first one I am going to go in is the color Enchanted. So this is a shimmer color, so I'm gonna keep it in like the outer crease. I'm using this color to add some depth to the purple. Gonna tighten my lid. So then we're gonna take this brush again and we are going to blend. I'ma take you out like to go right now. I'ma take you down, promise I won't drown. Keep it with the pace, baby, don't slow down, down. Perfect when you go round, round. Perfect when you go downtown. Take your time, there's no crown. Yes, honey. Okay, so I want to use another in a teared up color. I think I want to go with, let's use Amber by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Alright, so let's go and finish the face. Alright, so my blush, I'm going to keep it light. I don't want to go too dark, so I'm going to mix these two colors by Inglot. And so to highlight, I am going to use Pose by ColourPop, the Shayla and ColourPop, or Shayla times ColourPop collection. Alright, so I am going to finish this look using, just want to use a very nude color. Like maybe a pinkish nude, let's see. Yeah, like a pale pink nude. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm going to line my lips with Makeup Forever. Just arrived while you're leaving. I got the thing that you're needing. You got the hips I believe in. I rock your boat while you're steaming. I'll pick you up when the weekends get you off so off. I hate that this light doesn't adjust. Ugh. Alright, so over that I'm gonna put on some Fenty Balm lip gloss. A lip gloss. Just for some added shine. Alright guys, so let me do my hair and I'll be back. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here is the final look. I am loving it. You guys know, I don't know if you do know or not, but purple is my favorite color. So I really like how this look came out. Even though this yellow background is just giving me a lot of problems, okay? It's hard to see like the color payoff in the pictures with the yellow background, but nonetheless, not gonna complain, you know, still loving it. I'm still looking a little flaky, okay? Starting to fall off right, even though it's not officially fall, but we're getting there. So if you guys liked this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to know when I upload another video, make sure you hit the notification bell. I would appreciate it. I have so much room for all of you guys to be a part of the family. All right, guys, so until then, have a good one. And guess what? I'm gonna leave a video right here for you guys to watch. And let's keep this party going. All right, guys, have a wonderful one. Bye.